We're in Centretown Market again, and Daddy's gone for the waffle bouncy platter with a iced cafe latte, wants it today. Nancy's got the kids' vanilla pancakes with bacon, and she also got another side, so she showed the strawberry smoothie. Careful, yeah, and a minute lemonade. Marky's got the tropical pancakes with a side of sausage and bacon, and he went for the red Powerade drink. Harrison's got the ham and cheese omelette with breakfast potatoes, and he went for the blue Powerade drink. And then I've gone for the same as Marky, tropical pancakes with sausage bacon, and I went for the orange juice. All again with 5 meal credits. Nancy always wants scrambled eggs, but we can never find it on the children's, can we? So that is that. Daddy shared 5 meal credits for breakfast. Yay! Say hi! Yeah, thank you! From our family to yours, and welcome to the EPCOT Skyliner. We have spent the whole day at Blizzard Beach today. The park opened at 10 and it was shutting at 8 o'clock tonight. However, because there were thunderstorms again and the inclement weather has meant that all of the water rides, the pools, everything at Blizzard Beach closed at around 3:15, 3:30 time. So we were actually kicked out of Blizzard Beach. We did again have to wait up quite a while for the Caribbean Beach bus. However, we've come back to the resort, we've had a quick change, and the plan for the evening is to prioritise Guardians, which is why we're on the EPCOT Skyliner now. And then we're going to try and do the EPCOT shop, because we haven't actually had a proper look around that shop yet. We might try and get a picture near the EPCOT ball. And then tea somewhere. The current time is 6:10. The kids will want to also do a little bit of pin trading throughout the night. They've actually got a really good collection. They've been collecting lots of great pins. Yeah, this morning around the lobby area was very nice. They were actually giving all the children pins.
Has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume the flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
So you just heard that. Sometimes the Skyliner is delayed.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We are now resuming the journey and will take flight momentarily. Thank you.
So sometimes the Skyliner gets delayed because maybe somebody in a wheelchair or an electric scooter is getting on. Maybe something, the inclement weather sometimes will delay it too. But we're good to go. So yeah, that's the plan. It's actually our last full day as well. It's been our last full day today in Disney. We are just doing trying to do some pin trading, but the pin traders in the EPCOT are really like hardcore ones that are don't really trade with kids.
We've just been in the Creations shop in Epcot, and I've picked up one of the hidden Disney mystery pouches. This can be any hidden Mickey. Can be like ones that you have or ones that you don't have, but I've already got a few, so hopefully I get a chaser. last time I opened one of these, I did get the Chaser Genie, which was quite good. So we're going to open this one first.
Careful.
It is the hidden St. Patrick's Day Donald, 2 out of 5. That's
Good.
quite good already. Now, I felt this pack, and this one was the one that I'm collecting.
You feel like it might be.
I feel like it. It's open. It's a 25 years airfield pin.
Oh, okay. That's a good trader.
And this one is a very good one because I've not seen it hardly anywhere.
Okay.
St. Patrick's Day Donald.
Super. Show me your pin.
I've never seen that.
Show me your pin trades. So Nancy's got these. These are the 2 this morning that the lobby gave us for free, didn't they? Harrison, show me yours. These are just their traders at the minute, aren't they? Really good. So then you've got some more.
No, yeah,
So you've got some more traders now.